Welcome to Beautyistic. Ever found yourself wishing for that perfect lift, length, and volume in your lashes without the hassle of extensions or fake lashes? Well, today we're taking a look at a mascara that promises to give you all that. Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Waterproof Mascara. This one claims to deliver dramatic lash transformations. And if you've struggled with mascaras that don't quite live up to their promises, this might be the one to change the game. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our honest beauty reviews. Now let's see what this mascara can really do. This mascara is all about giving your lashes that false eyelash effect. It's infused with fibers to provide volume, length, and lift, creating that dramatic look that usually requires professional lash extensions. The formula itself is designed for long-lasting wear, claiming to be completely waterproof, which is a big plus for anyone dealing with humidity, rain, or just long, busy days. It's available in a deep, rich, very black shade, adding intensity to your lash line. The star of the show here is the brush. Maybelline's double-curved lifting brush is meant to separate and coat each lash from root to tip. With the addition of fibers, this mascara is supposed to give you the look of longer, fuller lashes. No clumps, no flakes, and definitely no smudging. Now, let's talk about how this performed in real life. I've been using this mascara for the past couple of weeks, and it's definitely lived up to its claims. The brush is easy to maneuver, and I was able to coat each lash without much effort. Even my harder-to-reach lashes at the corners were nicely defined. The formula is smooth and creamy, not too thick, which meant I didn't experience any clumping. On the waterproof aspect, I tested it out on a humid day, and I was impressed. It held up well, staying put without smearing or flaking, even during a sweat session at the gym. The lengthening effect was noticeable right away. It gave my lashes that full, lifted look I usually only get from extensions. But no product is perfect, right? While the volume and length are impressive, there's a slight drawback: removal. Because it's waterproof, it does require a little more effort when it's time to take it off. I had to use an oil-based makeup remover to get it all off. Not a huge deal, but something to consider if you're someone who prefers easy removal at the end of the day. So, what are the pros and cons? On the plus side, you get dramatic volume and length with minimal clumping, and it's long-lasting, holding up even in humidity or sweat. The brush is great for lifting and separating lashes, and the waterproof formula is perfect for long days. On the flip side, the only downside is the removal process. It's a bit more work than your average mascara, but for the payoff you get, it's a minor inconvenience. When it comes to value for money, I think this mascara delivers. At a reasonable price point, you're getting a high-performance product that can rival more expensive options. Considering the volume, length, and lift it provides, I think it's well worth the price. If you're comparing it to other mascaras on the market, there are a few with similar waterproof claims, but Maybelline's Falsies Lash Lift stands out with its fiber-infused formula and the unique brush design. Other mascaras may deliver volume, but not all of them offer that lash-lifting effect that this one does. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and the wand feels sturdy in hand. The formula itself doesn't dry out quickly either, so you'll get consistent performance with each use. Now, if you're someone who's willing to spend a little more for a top-tier mascara, you might consider alternatives like Benefit's They're Real or Too Faced's Better Than Sex for comparable volume and length. But if you're looking for a drugstore option that gives you the same effect at a fraction of the cost, Maybelline's The Falsies Lash Lift is an excellent choice. Is this mascara for you? If you want voluminous, lifted lashes with lasting power, it's definitely worth a try. However, if you need a mascara that's super easy to remove, you might want to consider something else. Before I wrap up, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this mascara, drop a comment below, let me know what you think. And remember, stay beautiful inside and out.